Hi Tammy, this is a quick tutorial just showing you how you might go about coloring a logo. I'm just going to go ahead and pretend that this is a logo. Let's see here. Okay, you'll be working with the turkey on that, the turkey graphic you created. And I'm going to pretend that this is that graphic. So basically you want to add you first want to choose the 2 to 3 different colors that you're going to use for your graphic or your logo. And to do that, you'll go from window, and I'm sorry about the background noise, I'm just trying to get this video posted to you. So window, and then you want to go to swatch libraries, and then you want to go to color books, and then you're going to go to Pantone CMYK coded. Okay, so for example, you'll just kind of scroll through all of these different colors, and then you'll choose the ones that you like. And I'm going to go ahead and take this, drag it, and drop it right into my swatches. And see, you can tell the difference between the swatches. You can drag it wherever you want here, but with your swatch panel open, you can tell the difference between CMYK just by hovering and just by this little tab, this little triangle in the lower right-hand corner. So for example, this blue is a CMYK color, and this is a Pantone color. And even though it says Pantone CMYK coded, what that means is that you can break it down into a CMYK, or at least it can transfer over to become a CMYK color. So that is the deal with that. So I chose that blue color, and then let's say I want to choose this little burgundy color. I'll go up and do maybe this golden color. These are 3 different Pantone colors. And so you want to make sure you document what they are. This one's Pantone P7-8C. This one, again, you can hover to get the names if you want to go, basically visually first. Like, ooh, I like this color, and you don't really care about the name. There's something called Pantone color books, which you'll be well aware of when you read the content in your textbook. That's for printing reasons. You really want to have this. For example, if the Starbucks logo has certain colors, you want to make sure that same green and black print. Black isn't so much of an issue, but it can be at times. You want to make sure that that green is the same green if it's printed in California as it would be if it's printed in New York. So those are just a reason why we have the Pantone matching system, so that printers can produce accurate colors for logo identities. So these are the 3 colors, and again, you want to make sure you have them documented. Pantone P109-8C. Okay, so those are the 3 that I've chosen. I'm going to close out of this panel now. And so you might have colors already applied to your turkey. What you'll want to do now is simplify those colors. Click with your direct selection tool on certain shapes, and then make sure your fill is in front, and then change it. I'm going to do a couple different colors here, and of course, I guess you could call this my logo. It's not super fancy here, but I'm just showing you how one might go about doing this. Okay, and then I'm just using those 3 colors, 2 or 3 colors total, no more than 3 colors. And the reason for that is printing purposes. It would be really wildly expensive for anyone to have to spend money on more than 3 Pantone colors. And Pantone colors are necessary when you're printing important things, and if you're reproducing a logo to be accurate with the brand colors, the brand guidelines. So that's just a little lesson for you today. So you'll want to go and break apart some of the shapes that you have for that turkey. It might be a little tedious because a lot of the shapes that you have in there. And that's why I was saying if you want to recreate a more simplistic logo, maybe you do something like that maybe, you use your initials and create a logo somehow. That's a little less complicated if you get into the nitty-gritty of that turkey and you find that it's becoming complicated to break apart those shapes and into 3 various colors. Keep me posted on your progress, and I'll help in any way that I can. Okay, but I hope this video helps you as you start to build your logo and then business card in InDesign. See you in the next video. Have a great week, Tammy.